Question 15 is straightforward. I must say, just remember your finger, link it up here. First, you talk about this thing. Remember the diagram. Energy and matter. Be careful, okay? For the producer, they have two sources, remember. One can be photosynthesis, okay? And one can use the inorganic nutrients to produce food, okay? So, arrow is light, okay? So, light is light energy, not chemical energy, right? Because the other part is inorganic nutrients. Okay, so for the R should be the inorganic nutrient. Of course, I check the other thing too. Okay, make sure although it should be heat. Okay, all the producer, consumer, decomposer, their mitochondria, they have energy waste, and all of them they will waste the energy as, remember the solid line is energy as heat. So we got it. Okay, remember confirm it by all the three options. Okay, to just look at two and then make the decision. Maybe you have made some wrong guess, right? So 1, 2, 3, all correct. Hooray! We make it. Oh, where's the hooray? Sorry, then. No hooray this time. Okay, sorry. See you guys. Bye.